Hey dreamers, I wanted to come share this amazing product that I received in the mail. Now this brand is called RoseForever. They create handcrafted luxury vegan roses that last up to 1 year, and they are super gorgeous. I've received a package from them before, but they offered to send me another one and I can choose any one that I like, so I decided to get this crystal box. It is perfect, y'all. It is so gorgeous, so elegant, so sophisticated. There is also a lid on the top so you can cover it if you choose, and it does smell really, really pretty. I'm the type that I'll just add like an extra spray of perfume just because I'm just bougie like that, being fake bougie. But if you guys check out the bottom too, it also has like a little shelf so you can put your guys' makeup in there. I was thinking that I was gonna have this on my makeup desk because it's super cute just to put my foundations and all my big products so they won't be freestanding anymore. I got a couple of close-up shots of the roses so you can see how well preserved they are, and they're so gorgeous. And look how spacious this is. I put 3 foundations and I have like 80% space left. I can put makeup brushes, I can put everything. This is so cute. You can keep it in your room, you can keep it in your kitchen, on the dining table. You can give it as a gift for Christmas. As you guys can see here, you can just add a little bow and boom, it is ready to gift. I love it. Be sure to use code Naomis40 for an exclusive discount. All right guys, love you. See you next time. Bye.